Hey friends, Heather here with Expediting with the Andersons. Randall and I are enjoying a much needed vacation. We are at Disney World in Orlando, Florida. We arrived today. This is our room. We're staying at the Pop Century Resort, and I thought I'd give you a quick tour of our room. It's really nice. We haven't brought our stuff in here yet, so I wanted to do this before we brought our stuff. One thing we did do, I'll show you right here. This is a little refrigerator. So that's always good. Looks like they have a coffee maker. Plus, that's plus. Looks like some teas and coffees, decaf, a little light on it. One thing we did do is arriving, the first thing we did, we decided to get two queens in our room. We always do that, so we have plenty of space to put all our stuff on the one bed, and then of course sleep in the other bed. But this right here, this bed here with Pluto, I think that is actually a Murphy bed. It's a queen size Murphy bed, and we already lowered it. Now when it's raised, there is a small table that will seat two. And here's the chairs for it. We just moved them out. There's one chair. We moved it out of the way. I didn't think about it. We lowered it first thing. And then I said, oh, let me do a video. But other than that, the room is as we found it when we came in. Then we have a huge screen TV. I don't know, maybe a 42-inch or something like that. Of course, it's playing information about Disney's Pop Century Resort. Here is our chest of drawers. And let's see, let's open this up and take a look. Oh, looks like we have a safe, an extra pillow. So we have the drawers here. I'll see my personal items in there. So we have 3 drawers. One thing is really nice is they have the plug-ins, the outlets, and then they have the USB power outlets. So that's great. So you don't always have to have a brick with you. Here's the bed, the regular bed. It's not a Murphy bed, it's a queen size bed. And we have a small little table here between them. Got a telephone. Got a little cubby to store stuff. See, cubby. And it too has 2 plug-ins and 2 USB ports. And this is great. I'm glad they have all those USB ports. That's the connecting door. We don't have anybody here with us, so we're not fooling with that door. Have a little nice little area to hang things on. Keep them up off the floor. Here's another little bedside table with a cubby, and it has 2 outlets and 2 USB ports too. So that's good. Now we have these slide doors. This is into the bathroom area, and it just slides, opens up. Oh, excuse my appearance. I have been at Disney and Magic Kingdom all day. It's rather hot out there. It's already 88 degrees. A little closet. That's some cubbies for more storage. Oh, look, they have an ironing board. I guess people do iron their clothes when they're on vacation. I don't know. That would not be me. Let's put a little light on the subject. There we go. This is the vanity and the sink. Nice area. Towels. Let's see, we got a little cabinet here. Oh, look, there's iron and a hairdryer. That's good. It's good to know. Extra tissue and toilet tissue. Got a mirror. Looks like it may be even a lighted makeup mirror. It is. Look at there, ladies. Now there's a pocket door that goes into the actual bath, and it has a a full-length mirror on it. We could have just left out that. We didn't need to see that, did we? And then here is the bathroom. It's a tub shower combination. There's towels, some more tissue. I'm going to slide these over and let's take a look at the shower. Now here's the dispenser. Oh look, they've even got a little tag on it that says it's been cleaned. And it's like a little plastic over it. A little plastic bag over it. That's good. That's dispenser. Looks like they have conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. That's great. That's great. Oh, look at this. Now this, they have a rain shower head, and a handheld shower head too. Oh, I like that. And of course, a bathtub. Thank goodness. I know some of the resorts are going to just showers only. I certainly like to soak my feet after walking all day at the parks. Now up there, that round, looks like a bell, you see, like one of those service bells on a desk. That is a clothesline where you can hang and it attaches over here, over there, and you can hang your wet items, your swimsuits, towels, and things like that to dry. So that's it. Friends, that's our room at Pop Century. We are we chose a preferred pool view room. So we can see we're right outside the main building, which they call Classic Hall. And we're right next to the main pool. We'll take a quick peek out, see what's going on out there. That's the main pool. And you see over there where it says Pop, that's the main building. We're on the second floor, and it's a good place to be. So I want everybody to have a good week. Randall and I are going to enjoy ours here at Walt Disney World in Florida, and I'm sure you'll be hearing more from us throughout the week. You all have a great day.